What makes the Relativity Space Machine Shop unique and special? We are a very passionate group. We are very motivated. We try to keep in mind the overall goals of the machine shop and the company. We work on very complicated, unique hardware that's difficult to machine. No one else has ever done these parts before, and we take a lot of pride in that, and we treat it very seriously.
Our department is responsible for engine manufacturing. This includes turbopump hardware, valves, GG hardware, anything that makes up the whole engine. My typical day here at the machine shop is basically looking at the schedule, talking with a lot of the team members on the floor, making sure that the turbopump hardware specifically gets manufactured.
A typical day for me at Relativity Space would be getting the machines up and running, making sure that we're on schedule to hit the delivery dates, and then executing the programs and making sure that we're providing conforming parts first time through.
My typical day here at Relativity Space is going to be basically any parts that I'm responsible for, I'm going to make manufacturing plans for. And what that means is basically I'm going to use a CAM software to make a program that is going to be turned into G-code that's going to go onto our machines that is going to make whatever part I'm given. I take basically what's on the blueprint and I make it a real life object.
What excites me on a day-to-day basis, coming on in, working with my team, we have a very talented staff, very talented leadership. It's always good to come on in, be a part of a really strong workforce here in the machine shop.
It is relatively fast-paced. At this point, it's a lot of R&D, so you are working on figuring out the puzzle. So you have to bring ideas and be a problem solver and bring solutions, and it's not going to all be perfect, and I enjoy that.
No day is the same. There's new challenges every day, almost every other hour. And what makes it even more exciting is the fact that you're with a team that truly elevates the status quo of making things better, from processes all the way to hardware manufacturing.
Most machine shops are very, very slow in how they process things and how they change. Here, we have a ton of room for growth. Everyone here has to grow with the product that we are building. A lot of the people that have come in here at very, very, entry-level positions are now, the ones programming the machines, the ones, leading other people and taking on the issues that they probably never would have thought they would have done if they were at another machine shop.
The machine shop team is not only looking for some of the brightest in the industry, but also someone that is bold, thinks outside of the box, willing to go out there and explore, someone who's ready to take on a challenge, not knowing the outcome, but also making good and concise decisions while doing so.
A candidate that's looking to be part of something that's never been done before, work with 3D printed parts, work on hardware that's going to be on a rocket.
The type of people that are in this machine shop are very, very ambitious, and they are very, very willing to take on the issues that we have as a machine shop here. A lot of us are really, really willing to grow. We're willing to make those mistakes. We're willing to learn from those mistakes, and being able to work in that environment and have that nice bond with the other machinists that are within our machine shop is a really, really good thing.